write articles for printed magazines. There are plenty of magazines which are printed and digital nowadays, so you can write for either of them. Printed magazines already have their own audience, just like with events, and this audience is ready for your article. So if they will decide that your article makes sense for their community, guess what? They'll be happy to publish you. And this publishing will allow you to build your expert position, because even on LinkedIn we have publications. Think about that. How many publications can you put? How many articles can you put so that people know that you already was exposed to different audiences, and these audiences admitted that you are an expert in your niche?